Today we are talking about the states of an adjective or adjectives. So sometimes we call these superlatives and comparatives, but this is the use of words like er or est or more or most. And so as we dive into this, you're going to be like, oh, this is familiar. I know what you're talking about. Okay, so sometimes people say, oh, that's good. Well, that's better. Well, that is best. Or they say that is more beautiful than that, or that is the most beautiful thing they have ever seen. So there is no hard, fast rule as to when you should use er or est, or when you should use more or most, but I find it's usually based on syllables. Okay, so I'm going to write that example I just used with good, the food tastes good, the food tastes better, and the food tastes the best. So one is good, one is really good, one is the best, okay? So it tells you the difference, yet it's just using the same concept. So let's try another. We have cold. Oh, it's cold outside. Oh, it's getting colder. Oh, it is the coldest winter day ever. Okay, so you've never felt something as cold as that. When you use that est, it's the most. And when you use that er, it's more than it was before. Okay, so those are great examples for words that work with er and est. I used the example, and let's try happy. Happy's a good one. So happy's two syllables, happy. That's what a syllable is. It's how many sounds it has. So we have happy, happier, the Y changes to an I, and then happiest, I-E-S-T. That is the happiest day of my life that I remember. Okay, so we have this word important that is three syllables. Important. You kind of take three pauses. Important. It's not infants. You got those syllables. Important. 1, 2, 3. So it is more important, or that is the most important thing I have ever heard. That is the most important. Okay, so this is usually not a bad way to know if a word has er or est or more or most. More or most, the word is usually more syllables.